The age of Aquarius.
Age of Aquarius. Age of Aquarius.
Aquarius. I don't know the rest of the song. All I know is it's from Hair. Aquarius. You're a weirdo, mainly because of that delightful planet that represents you, Uranus. You're a visionary, you're future-minded, you're a dreamer. You see things differently than others. That's the same thing as a dreamer. No, it's not. I'm an idiot.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
So like Aquariuses are like inventors and they're originals. There's some really great Aquariuses like Thomas Edison, invented the light bulb and like 100 other things. I think Martha Stewart, but definitely Oprah, definitely Ellen, definitely another billionaire. I think that's all I have. They're also the water bearers. Water bearers. What's a water bearer? Is it a man that brings water wherever he goes? Give him my phone number. Water bearers. I don't even know what the hell that is. Dreams can come true. I don't know why I'm singing this song. Listen, you're a dreamer. Try to stay in the present. I know you love daydreams. Stay in the now. But also, let your dreams fuel your creativity because that's when you're your best. When you take your dreams and bring them to reality. So Oprah of me. You tend to do well in a job that lets you be you, that lets you explore your ideas, whether they're crazy or not, and you tend to do best when you're your own boss. Be your own boss lady. Aquarius, if you're your own boss lady, you can live the perfect life for yourself. You can dream, you can achieve success, and have a great job. That's like so you. You need to have your mind working, constantly moving. Otherwise, you're bored at work and you'll be completely useless. Try to focus on money. Get that money, girl. I know it's hard for you because practical things bum you out. If anyone has high standards, it's you, Aquarius. You really need someone that stands up to your expectations. You get bored so easily. You need someone that really is willing to push your mind. And all that mushy-gushy stuff is not for you. For example, if you were going to a theater, you'd rather watch an adventure film than a boring romantic comedy. Aquarius, no matter how much you love your partner, it's super important that you maintain your friendships, keep a busy social life filled with a lot of exciting and different activities. Otherwise, you'll get so bored at home. You're just gonna explode. You're gonna take it out on your partner. That ain't good. Oftentimes, people accuse you of being aloof, a little bit of a buffoon. It's important that you stay grounded and realize that you're not out to lunch and you can connect with others. When you do connect, your friends know for sure they can trust whatever you say is the truth. That's you, Aquarius, and you're welcome. You want to know about your crush or your friend or your father or your mother or your daughter or your child or someone, just anyone. Go look up their horoscope on the Chatelaine page. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.